I wanted to show how easy it is to set up the new Snapshot MCP Server and start using Claude Desktop as an intelligent assistant. So the first step is just go to Preferences and find Claude Desktop and enable the launch option. And then we have our install instructions right there. The instructions are pretty brief. You do need to download and install Claude Desktop, and then you need to grab our DXT file. When you double-click the DXT file, that will launch Claude Desktop and you can install the connection to Snapshot. When it's installed, it will be one of your extensions, and you can even configure all of the tools, resources, and prompts in the Snapshot server right here from Claude. Now when you're working in Snapshot, you can launch Claude Desktop and get all kinds of assistance. For example, what is my newest snapshot? And Claude knows everything about it.